Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to see 3 different ways to import in Adobe Premiere Pro. So without any further ado, let's start. So the first and the simplest method is drag and drop method. What you have to do is open the file location where you have the file or the folder that you want to import, and once you have opened that file location, drag and drop the file to the Adobe Premiere Pro and it will get imported. You can either import one file or multiple files, or you can even import the folders. The second method is the double click method. You have to double click on the project window which will open the import window. From here you can import multiple files or a single file, and once you have selected all the files that you want to import, click on the open button which will import all those files in your project. The third method is the right click method. What you have to do is right click on this project window and it will open a context menu. In the context menu, you have to select the import option which will open the import window. From here, once you have selected all the files that you want to import, click on the open button. It will import all the files to your project. I hope you like this video and please consider subscribing to our channel, and stay tuned for the next video where I am going to show the next 3 advanced methods to import in Adobe Premiere Pro. That's it for this video. Thank you.